There are different kinds of predators in the wild. And all of them are equipped with the powerful capabilities that they use in bringing down their prey. Some of them hunt alone, and some of them hunt as a group. So, which one is the strongest? You will not believe what you see in this video. Top 10 strongest predators in the wild. Number 1. Tiger. The tiger is the most powerful predator that lives on land. The tiger is the largest extant cat species. It is an apex predator, primarily preying on ungulates such as deer and wild boar. Tigers are patient hunters and can move slowly and quietly, stalking their prey for 20 minutes. A tiger's large canine teeth and powerful jaws are used to grab a prey animal by the neck and suffocate it. Also, the tiger has been seen to beat a lion in most battles. Number 2. Lion. The lion is the second largest cat in the world. They live in groups called prides of around 30 lions. The lion can attack all other predators without fear. The king of the jungle we all know is not actually a lion. The lion doesn't live in the jungle, it lives in the great savanna. They are also extremely protective of their young, and whoever approaches their cubs is in extreme danger. Lions are very strong in herding, and this is the strongest herd in the world. Number 3. Jaguar. Jaguars are the only big cat in the America, and the third biggest in the world after tigers and lions. They look like leopards, which live in Africa and Asia. The jaguar is not typically an aggressive animal, but when it becomes aggressive, it's with explosive force. It's an ambush predator. It can attack very quickly and with great force. Number 4. Leopard. Leopards are perhaps the most aggressive of all big cats. The fact that they have to live alongside bigger cousins like lions and tigers itself evolves them to be quite aggressive. The leopard is a graceful, powerful and cunning big cat, closely related to lions, jaguars and tigers. The leopard lives alone and hunts mostly at night. Number 5. Crocodile. Nile and saltwater crocodiles are the most dangerous. Crocodiles have powerful jaws with many conical teeth and short legs. The bite power of crocodiles can reach up to 4,000 psi. A crocodile is a large amphibious reptile. It lives mostly in large tropical rivers, where it is an ambush predator. They can ambush lions and easily kill them. They are at the top of the food chain and are very difficult to hunt. Number 6. Hyena. Hyenas are noted as scavengers, but most are also effective hunters. Hyenas are very social and live in groups called clans. Clans can have up to 8 members. Not only are spotted hyena females larger, they are also more aggressive and are dominant in their clans. A herd of hyenas is so strong that it can even kill lions. Hyenas have incredible biting power, and a hyena can bite at 1100 psi. Number 7. Cougar.
Whoa!
Cougars, they are one of the most adaptable big cats in the Western Hemisphere. They are highly intelligent and elusive animals who primarily eat deer and avoid humans. Cougars are often aggressive animals and rarely attack humans. Skilled and cunning hunters, cougars stay hidden from their prey until they can pounce with claws outstretched. Number 8. Cheetah. Cheetah is the fastest running mammal in the world. Cheetahs can run up to 70 miles per hour, but usually only chase their prey at about half that speed. Cheetah is also one of the strongest predators. Thanks to its agility and speed, almost other predators cannot approach them. When we look at it in terms of size and mass, it is smaller than lion and tiger and cannot cope with them. Number 9. Wolf. Wolves live and hunt in packs of around 6 to 10 animals. They are known to roam large distances, perhaps 12 miles in a single day. Packs of wolves have endless energy, and they never let go of their prey. Wolves communicate very well in the pack and hunt very tactical. And number 10. Wild dogs. The wild dog is one of the world's most endangered mammals. Wild dogs are social and gather in packs of around 10 members, but some packs number more than 40. African wild dogs prefer to stay as far away from humans as possible. If they do encounter humans, they would only attack if cornered. Thanks for watching. I'm Blondie Fox.